Did it hurt?
What, when I fell from heaven? Nice one.
Nope. When you fell for me.
Miraculous of the dog, miraculous of the cat. Falcon cat! Funny, isn't it?
Hilarious. Nice working with you, Cat Noir.
Come on, shake paws. I knew you two would get along. That's the magic of the miraculous. Even dogs and cats can exist in harmony. You're going to be spending a lot of time together now that he's joined the team. Forever.
She's special. Very pretty. She's got dark, silky hair, deep and mysterious eyes.
You like her a lot, huh?
Marinette? Yeah, of course. She's the lady of my dreams. Cat Noir comes to unexpectedly. How do we make that rhyme?
Fighting evil with his lady.
Of course, not bad, Bugaboo.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Would you like to just as like a date? No, isn't something illegal. What is wrong with you? It's just a question. We're superheroes. We just do something illegal. It's only partly illegal, but I want to break into Marinette's pancake house and get some house. It's the middle of the night. Exactly right.
Lady? Bugaboo?